Your ears get earrings, so it's only fair that your toes get invited to the party too. My name is Kate with WTI, and this is the three-piece toe ring set from LeCalla. These are made of sterling silver, so they're really nice, high quality. It is so versatile, so I wear these every single day. I don't take them off to sleep or to shower or to go to the beach or anywhere. They are always on my toes. What I like about them is that they're very comfortable. They're fully adjustable so they can fit whatever toe size you have. And it also prevents it from digging in because you can exactly customize the fit. They do not tarnish in the shower or in the water, which I really appreciate. I've been wearing these for weeks and the color is just as good as the day I got it. They come in 3 different sizes, so they give you a really nice look. And I also really appreciate that it comes in a giftable box. So whether you're buying this for yourself or for someone else, it's an excellent product. I think you're gonna love how durable they are, how perfect it is for daily wear. I think you're gonna love them, and that's my point of view.